Simple English. No confusion.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let me introduce myself. I am working in a top MNC for last 13 years and for past 5 years I am in cloud implementation and Snowflake. I am working as a project lead and have more hands-on experience with real-time issue handling and problem solving. In these Snowflake learning videos, I want to initially explore the basic concepts to understand the essence of the Snowflake for new learners, and later we'll concentrate more on the real-time scenarios and the issues that we face in the Snowflake environment. I will also provide the dumps for the Snowflake core certifications and we'll go through those question and answers together. Hope this series of videos on Snowflake will help us to explore the Snowflake environment together. Let's begin our learning journey. Hope you will like my presentation and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.